This is Leyla Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. We are going to be making a sunflower. We begin with 6 squares, 4 yellow, 1 black and 1 green. The size of these papers is 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimeters. Also, we need a piece of wire. If we want to make a flower arrangement, then we need longer pieces of wire as well, and we need florist tape. To make the petals, we are going to cut each one of these yellow squares in half. We need 8 of these rectangles. The proportion of this rectangle is 2 by 1. To make the leaf and to make the center, we need to cut these squares to 3/4 the length of the side. We bring the lower edge to match the upper edge, make a pinch mark at the center, bring the lower edge to that pinch mark, rotate and repeat here. We cut and discard these sections, and we repeat here. The petal is based on the one for this traditional flower, but it has 2 extra folds. We need 8 rectangles to make 8 units. In this case, I have paper with a different color on each side. We are going to begin with the color side facing up. We fold in half lengthwise, rotate, and we are going to bring this corner up so that this edge touches this edge. Repeat here and repeat behind. Now we bring this lower edge to the upper folded edge. We create a fold about here. Repeat on the back. Now we are going to unfold to this position, and we are going to create a fold here at the center. We will be adding 2 more folds to each end. We are going to bring this edge to align with this, and we are going to make a fold that comes from the edge to the center. We begin at this point and fold. Don't go beyond this point. So we have this fold, and we rotate and do the same on this side. We leave them unfolded for the moment and fold lengthwise. Once they are all tied together, we are going to come back and use that fold. We need to make 7 more of these units. For the leaf, I will demonstrate with a bigger piece of paper. It is ideal if we have paper of the same color on both sides, but in this case I have paper with different color on each side. We begin with the white color facing up. Rotate, make a fold here, connecting the corners. Unfold, rotate. We bring the lower corner to match the upper corner, and we make a pinch mark at the center. Then we bring the lower corner to that central point and make the crease. We are going to make 2 marks halfway between this point and this corner, about here and here. So fold, pinch mark, fold, and pinch mark. And we go back. We have those 2 points marked here. So we are going to bring this corner to that point. This and this corner to this. Now we are going to make a fold here, mountain fold. And we are going to make a fold connecting this corner to this corner. That is to make a vein. Turn it over. We are going to make those 2 creases into mountains. And we can add one more here by making a fold that goes from this angle to about half this distance, about here. It's very organic, so it's not necessary to be too precise. Then we open and we have 2 more veins. And we can just by eye put 2 more here. Now we fold back to this position, and we are going to fold so that this angle is divided in thirds. Also a calculation by eye. And we mark the crease very well. Now we are going to open to this side. Make a fold along here, the center. That's a mountain fold. Just within this center of this elongated diamond. We hold it so that it's concave here, and we press on this side so that folds along here, and bring this down. We have this shape. It's not flat anymore. We are going to bring this up as far as it goes. Notice that it will stop here. Now we bring this edge over to align with this. Same here. Now we're going to unfold and refold so that we narrow. Fold here and we create a new fold along here. Same here. And we have the leaf. If we want, we can add one more vein here. Now we make the center. I demonstrate with a bigger piece of paper. In this case, I start with the white side facing up. We are going to rotate and we are going to make the central folds. And we are going to bring this edge to align with the center. We will be making an inner octagon. And we are going to crease only from this point where the fold begins out a little bit. Same on this side. Just a little bit, we'll adjust later. Rotate, and now we bring this edge to this central line and fold from a mark that we have here to make a corner of that octagon. And we repeat all the way around. We have this inner octagon. Now we are going to reinforce these two sides of the octagon. And then pinch from the corner. And when this flap is standing up, we are going to fold it to one side. It aligns here, and we fold it to the other side as well. And we are going to rotate and repeat on the other three corners. Now we are going to rotate and we are going to fold so that we mark these creases from the corner of the octagon to the edge. We are going to reinforce these two lower sides of the octagon. And as we press, we have a small flap that forms here. We are going to press it also and fold it to the right and then to the left, making sure that it matches here. Then we go back to the right and we bring this right edge so that it aligns with the central vertical line. If we see a little bit of the white, it's okay because we are going to fold and hide it. So we fold it to the left. Now we pinch all the folds that come to the edge. And collapse. We have 4 bigger flaps. We have these smaller flaps, and to each one of those we are going to do the same as we did here. So rotate, fold to the left, fold to the right, and bring this edge to align with the vertical. Then we fold to the left, rotate, and repeat with the smaller flap. Now we have these 4 larger flaps, we are going to flatten them all to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to start with the lower right flap and fold this edge to the center. And we are going to create a crease along here. Rotate and repeat here. And this we are going to insert into this pocket. Now, to attach the center to the petals, we are going to temporarily open these flaps to this point. I continue the demonstration with a smaller one. With a needle, we are going to punch 2 holes along the central line. These holes will be equidistant to the center, about 5 millimeters apart from each other. Now we are going to bend the wire at the center about and measure that distance between the holes and bend again. We thread the wire through the holes. At this point we can close these flaps and we have this. On this side, we fold the wire to one side and to the other. And at the center, we raise it again. We have narrowed this gap here. Now we gather the petals together. The short side is the front of the flower. The long side is the back of the flower. So we can help ourselves with a clothespin to keep them together. And then we are going to insert this short side into the wire at the center and twist. You can remove this. Spread the petals all around. When we have them more or less evenly around, we are going to insert our thumb and with the index finger push from behind to create this. Once we have folded all the petals backwards, then we can arrange them so that the left side is on top of the right side, all around. Left on top of right. We can use the flower like this, just with this wire, and attach it as an ornament to a wreath or to a hat. And also, if we want, we can finish with a longer stem. I have here a thicker wire. This is gauge 20 wire. Twist the thinner wire of the flower around the thicker one. Cut a piece of florist tape, the same length as the long wire. I put it there at the center. So twist it around and as we twist it down, we are going to stretch the tape. This tape is sticky, so our fingers will be very sticky. We can add the leaf here. We can just wrap it around the wire and have the tape go over it and wrap it together. Only at this point we want to turn the flower and bend the wire. If we do it earlier, then it's harder to apply the tape. Another option is to add the leaf to a separate wire. This facilitates making an arrangement of several flowers. Check out our videos for more origami flowers. These are some examples. Links are found in the description of this video.